Hello, friends, family, and fans. I'm Hardeed. We are back playing The Secret of Monkey Island. So, we just got a ship from Stan. What's the sign say?
I sold the ship. Can you believe it? I'm off on a long vacation spending some poor sucker's money. Arrivederci, baby. Stan.
Fantastic. So he sells one ship and goes on vacation? Ew. Alright, so let's start recruiting people. Let's start up here with the guy with the hook hands. He's all like, wow, hook, hook, hook. Guybrush. What a name. Guybrush 3-foot. Can't remember when this game was made. Alright, we already know how this works. Walk the cable. Come on. Walk the pole first. Bump, bump, ba bump, 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 ba ba. Alrighty. Boop, boop. Alright, use chicken with cable. Whee! There we go. Now, let's go talk to Captain Hook Hands. Hey, buddy.
I told you, I don't have the time to show you any more tattoo tricks.
The governor's been kidnapped.
What? That's preposterous.
Oh,
Oh, really?
yeah, because I have the letter. So.
Take a look at this note they left.
Oh no. This is horrible.
Mm-hmm.
What are we going to do?
Save her.
We could get a crew together and sail off after them.
What an idea. Now, if we only had a captain.
Well, what about me?
Ha! You?
Yep. Okay, it's not that funny. Wow, he's really going at it.
That's a good one.
Hey, I'm serious.
No, it's
Really?
my ship. Thus means
Really?
I'm captain.
Okay, let's see you prove it.
Ooh.
Walk this way.
Alright.
There's something in here that I want to show you.
Is it going to be your My Little Pony
Something
collection?
Horrible.
My Little Pony collection?
Something so horrible that I stay awake at night just thinking about it.
Definitely My Little Pony.
I don't mean to scare you. I'm sure a big brave guy like yourself will have no problem facing this monster. After all, it's much smaller than the beast that bit off my hands so many years ago. Arr, 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 arr. Let's just hope you're quicker than I was.
Okay.
Oh, I just remembered something.
What's that?
I never did get around to feeding him this week. Ha 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 ha! Silly me! I'll let you open this last door yourself.
Ooh.
Just let me get out of your way.
Wait.
Ha ha ha! Getting cold feet?
No, I just don't know what I'm supposed to do.
You're supposed to open that little door.
Okay.
And if you're brave enough,
Yeah.
touch the beast inside.
Whoa.
Oh, is that all?
Okay, go ahead. If you've got the guts.
Alright. It's a tiny little door. It is a bird. Walk to a mysterious winged devil, or murderous winged devil. Hey, birdie.
I don't believe it.
Ooh.
You are a brave man after all.
It's just a-
You faced the beast I've feared all these years.
It's just a bird.
You had the guts to do what I never could.
Yeah, that's because I'm a good captain.
I feel like such a coward.
Yeah.
I'm not good enough to be on your crew. I'm not even good enough to swab your decks.
Wow.
Oh, come on, Meat Hook. You're a big, strong, good-looking guy with a talking tattoo.
That is true.
You can swab my decks anytime.
Whoa!
Really?
Sure.
I can still be on your crew.
Just pack your stuff and meet me at the dock.
And please stop crying.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Please stop crying.
I won't let you down.
Alrighty. And that is how...
Hey, maybe I'll get a chance to show you my whole tattoo routine when we're at sea.
Sounds like a
Wow,
good time.
This is sounding better and better all the time.
Alright, so we now have officially one crew. Oh, hey, Poops. Oh, that is your claws on my toes. Oh, that's why you
It's
get
just
your
like
ball
the one
down
on the
there.
other side.
Yep, climb the pole. There you go. So there we go. We got one out of the crew. So use chicken with cable. Alright. So if I'm correct, the second last person should be the sword master? Meanwhile,
Meanwhile,
beat you to it.
having just returned from melee, LeChuck and his crew find their old hiding place in the underground rivers of Monkey Island and drop anchor.
Not dropping anchor. Oh, hey.
Captain, sir. I just stopped by to congratulate you on your kidnapping mission.
Wait, what? That was LeChuck?
Captain? Captain, are you all right?
Oh. Well now.
Never felt better. And how fares our prisoner?
Ah, yes, the prisoner. We had a little trouble.
Trouble!
No, nothing to worry about, sir. Everything's under control.
Is it?
She escaped a few times,
Hmm.
but we've got her locked up in the brig. No one's getting in or out of there.
Oh yeah, you're surrounded by a
For
bunch
your
of
sake,
lava.
I hope not.
Like, what could she really do?
With years of planning almost destroyed by my death, I'm not taking any chances now.
You know, because now that you're dead, it's going to be more
You
death.
took care of Mr. Threepwood then?
Guybrush Threepwood will not be a problem. At this very moment, he's 20 feet underwater. Probably bloated up like a fattened pig.
Except,
His eyes being eaten out by crabs.
ew,
Fish pecking at his fingers.
that's weird.
Kinda makes you wish you were there to watch.
Ah, yes, sir. Ugh. Sure does at that.
Now, go check on the route.
What route?
Make sure it's locked up tight.
What route?
Aye, Captain.
Like, you guys making root beer? I like root beer. Better be that caffeinated, Barks, because that shit's caffeinated. None of this non-caffeinated root beer stuff. Alright, Guybrush, you could move a little faster. Alright, let's go bother Cheeky Poo again. Oh, look, there she is. She's even waiting for us. How nice. She's like, oh, crap, not you again.
You've already got the t-shirt. What do you want now?
Murder.
The governor's been kidnapped.
What? That's ridiculous.
It's definitely,
Oh, no.
it's definitely a good thing that they
looks
left this
bad.
letter.
Very bad.
I'm getting a ship and a crew together to go rescue her.
I have a feeling I'm going to regret this, but count me in. I'll meet you at the dock.
Oh, that was easy. Oh, sweet. That was a lot faster than I expected. The other guy had this whole routine about me touching a parrot. This Jixapoo's just all like, I'm game. If there's one thing to never take lightly, it's a badass woman. I mean, they're called badasses for a reason. There we go. So, the circus, house. Alright, so the last one's actually pretty interesting of how we get their last crew member. I think. I'm pretty sure. Alright, let's continue walking. Man, it's almost like we've seen this landscape before. Almost. Alright, so we need 3 people. This guy, not useful to us. You may think, oh, there's some pirates over here. Yep, but nope. Not gonna even bother wasting my time with them because there's 3 of them and I only need 1 more. So, the only person that really remains is Mr. Guy in a Cage. Hey, guy. Otis. What's up, dude?
The governor's been kidnapped.
What?
Here, look at this note.
They kidnapped the governor?
Yep.
That really makes me mad.
I know, right?
Oh, I feel like kicking someone. I wonder if she left her place unlocked.
If I let you out, would you join my crew?
Sure. Of course. To my emancipator, I shall be eternally indebted. Until then, I pace.
Alright, so
It's locked.
here's the funny thing. Now, this is probably the most complicated thing in this entire game. This is where, when I was younger, we would get stuck and have no idea how to get past this. And this is the age before, like, internet walkthroughs and such, so we had, like, no idea how to possibly do this. But years later, when the internet finally delivered and gave us a walkthrough, oh, hey, bird, we now know what to do. The reason why we stole 50 cups from this guy is because we need to transport grog. Oh, come on, buddy. It's not that bad. Come on. Yeah. Now, here's the fun part. Is that grog, which is right here, is incredibly corrosive. Use mug with barrel.
This stuff is eating right through the mug.
There we go. Now we can watch it, like, decay the mug. Come on. There we go. Yeah, you see, we can see the mug down there. Now, if I'm correct, let's use this with that mug. There we go, fresh mug. Like I said, otherwise it like turns pretty much to pudding, so there we go. Come on, keep walking, buddy. I don't think we're gonna do it. Use that with lock. Oh yeah, that should be enough.
Hey, great. A drink. I'm real thirsty.
Nope.
Yikes.
And that is how you open the lock.
And to think I used to drink that stuff.
Mm-hmm.
I'm free! Oh yeah, thanks. Sucker!
Oh,
But
rude.
do we still have a deal? I'm sure he'll be back. He gave me his word as a pirate.
Uh-huh, because that's reliable.
I think it's welded shut now.
Jeez, I was almost better at
It's locked.
freeing. I was almost, more useful taking the rat. All right, now if I'm right, that should mean that that's all 3 of our people. Oh, let's talk to Voodoo Chick. Let's see what words of wisdom she offers. Sup, Chicky Poo? Where'd you go?
Hey, I'm back and I'm ready to know more about the future. Yikes!
Whoa!
So you have returned to learn future.
Dang right.
Yes, I must go after the governor.
I see you with some others willing to help in your cause.
Dang right. Ooh, fancy, fancy, fancy.
I really hate that flashing. Makes me see spots.
Quiet. I am getting another vision. You must.
Yes.
Must what?
You must go to Monkey Island.
No poop.
Once there, you will search for the ghost pirate LeChuck.
Not LeChuck.
He hides deep beneath Monkey Island. There is only one thing powerful enough to destroy LeChuck.
What's that?
What?
It's an ancient root.
Ah, the root beer.
The root can destroy a ghost with one touch.
Yeah.
I'm getting more vision.
What's that?
Spill it.
I see the cannibals that live on the island.
I'm sorry, what?
They are helping you.
Okay.
Or hating you.
Oh,
I can't tell. The vision isn't coming in clear anymore.
great.
Great.
Now
Right.
go and find the one that loves you.
Aw.
Be warned,
Don't worry, I'll watch out for LeChuck.
not of LeChuck, of yourself. What you will find out about yourself and your world. It will terrify you.
Alright. Sounds pretty decent. There we go. So now that we have that, we are ready to set sail. But we're out of time. We're going to continue this on next time. Make sure to join me. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you guys know when I'm uploading my next episode. And until then, you guys have yourself a wonderful evening. Bye-bye!